Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy to Sketch. I'm Aram, and I am so happy to have you here today. In today's video, we are going to sketch something cute. But more importantly, we are going to chat. I want to talk about the mindset of drawing. We are working on this shy anime girl with her boba tea today. It's a very clean, straightforward concept. And honestly, that is the goal. Sometimes we overcomplicate art. We think it needs to be a masterpiece every time. But today, grab your sketchbook and let's just focus on enjoying the lines. So, let's talk about simplicity. You might look at this and think, oh, it's just a quick sketch. But here's a tip. Simple and beautiful designs are actually the best ones to put your energy into. Why? Because everyone loves them. Simplicity is universal. When a drawing isn't cluttered with unnecessary details, the emotion comes through so much stronger. It's easier for the viewer to connect with. Plus, for you as the artist, it prevents burnout. If you try to do a full realism portrait every day, you'll get tired. But simple, cute sketches like this, they recharge you. They keep your hand moving and your creativity flowing without the stress. Another thing I want to mention while you watch the process is confidence in your lines. A lot of beginners try to make the perfect line immediately. They draw slowly and shaky. My advice: be fast, be loose. It's better to have a confident line that is slightly wrong than a shaky line that is in the right place. Also, trust the process. Every drawing goes through an awkward phase. Maybe the eyes look too far apart at first, or the hair looks weird. Don't stop. Keep adding details, keep refining. In this sketch, once the beanie and the hand come together, the character suddenly wakes up. Don't judge your art until it's finished. Now, let's talk about making your art stand out with minimal effort. Notice the composition here. The character is peeking from the side. This is a great trick if you struggle with drawing anatomy or full bodies. Use the frame of your paper. It makes the drawing look playful and saves you time. And about the color, you don't need a full set of 100 markers. I'm a huge fan of the selective color technique. By leaving the sketch black and white and only coloring the focal points, like the blue eyes and the red hearts, you guide the viewer's eye exactly where you want it. It's aesthetic, it's stylish, and it turns a simple doodle into a finished illustration. Alright guys, I've done enough talking for today. The video isn't over yet though. You can see the full shading process, the detailing on the hair, and how I add those final colors. I'm going to head out now and let you enjoy the rest of the sketching process with some relaxing music. Use this time to draw along with me or just zone out and enjoy the vibes. Thank you so much for watching Easy to Sketch. I'll catch you in the next one. Enjoy the music